It's a nice day out today and thought I would come out and make a quick video of some things that I've acquired recently over the last several months. I have ammo here, I have several books, I have my Modelo, it's the Mauser Modelo Argentino 1909, and then I have the Carl Gustav, and that's a 1913, and both of these are new calibers for me, so I had ordered my ammo that I needed for that, so I'll be doing videos of me shooting these, but I just wanted to give you a quick quick overview of things that I've acquired. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 9 different calibers of ammo that I just recently acquired. That's like 7mm, 8mm, the 6.5 Swedish. Like I said, I've never had that yet. And then for the 7.63 for the Argentine, I got 2 boxes of that. 30-06. Back in June, excuse me, I believe July or June, I went to the gun show and bought a 30-40 Krag, so I got a box of ammo for that so I can shoot that. Some 223s, some more 30-30 for my lever actions. 38 special, 357 mag. But again, I'll show you everything here. I did pick up several books. There's 2, 4, say 6 books or so that I picked up. I've got the Finnish Mosin Nagant here. I've got the number 5 Jungle Carbine, the Mosin Nagant rifle. I've got the 34 Krag, 2 different, a softback and a hardback on that. For the Enfields, 2 different books on that. So let me give you a close-up look of everything that I have. As far as the ammo, I bought 2 boxes of my 8mm that I need. I have 2 boxes of 7mm. I bought 2 boxes of 6.5 by 55 for the Swedish. Right here is for the 30-40 Krag. I have 2 boxes for my 30-aught Springfield. I have several rifles that'll shoot that caliber. Then I've got my 357 mag ammo here, the 38 special. I got 3 boxes of the 223, and then 2 boxes of my 30-30 Winchester. And for the other new rifle that I have the 6.5 by 53 for the Argentine. My books, this is the Finnish Mosin Nagant. Give you a look at that, move these out of the way. And that's by Matt DeRizzo. And this is a fairly good book. It's a kind of an oversized book, and it's a lot of pages, fairly heavy. So I don't think they could have made it, say, a regular size type of book, because it'd probably be even heavier with more pages. But just looking through this briefly, I really like this book. The only thing it didn't come with was the dust cover. This is a very nice hardbound book. The other one that I have here, this is going to be the number 5 Jungle Carbine, Alan Pertello. Then I have this one here. It's the Mosin Nagant rifle by Terence LePen. I have the American Krag rifle and carbine by Joe Poyer. Then I have the British Enfield Rifles Volume 2 for the number 4 and number 5 rifles by Charles Stratton. I have this one here, the Disassembly and Reassembly Guide by Terrence Evan, and that's going to be for the guide to the Lee Enfield's 303 rifles, number 1, SMLE, Marks 3, 3 stars, number 4, Mark 1s, Mark 1 stars, Mark 2s, and the number 5s. And then another hardbound book. This is the Krag Rifle by Lieutenant Colonel Williams Brophy. This does have the dust cover on it, and I've looked through this briefly. It's another nice book. I do have up here, it's going to be the bayonet and scabbard. Get that in the sunlight for you, for my Swedish Mauser up there. And it does have markings on it there. And this is kind of interesting on this. This is hollow in through here, but the way it clips on, it goes over the barrel and up through there. And this actually clips on. You push it to release it, or pull it to release it to take it off. It does have that there for the rust. I've kind of cleaned it up a little bit. I need to do more work on that. So up here, this is my Carl Gustav, dated 1913. It is import marked, does have a threaded barrel on it. I want to buy the cap for it. I'll give you a look at that one. And it does have the disc marks there. And like I said, dated 1913. And does have a little bit of pitting right there. And I'll show you the Argentine next, and then I'll turn them both over. This has a very nice stock on it. Get that up here in the sunlight a little bit for the cartouche there on the stock. The serial number there does not match what's on the barrel, the receiver there. There's their cartouche, their emblem there. And I'll get up here. And it does have a nose cap on it. Just push it in a little bit and twists off. So I'm going to go ahead and turn those over, let you see the other side. And there's what the bayonet looks like. And somebody has tried sharpening this. You can see by the markings on there on the blade. And turn this around a little bit here. There's the markings actually on the bayonet, and then also there. Turn this around for you. You can see there where scruff marks from trying to sharpen it. And there's your maker's mark there. And again for the scabbard. And there's nothing on this side. And this is the other side of them. I'll show you the butt plate there. And some pitting there on that one a little bit. And some pitting there. And overall not bad. And we'll go up to the Argentine. You know, it does have some compression markings, some gouge, you know, not too bad of gouges on it, but really the stock looks pretty nice on this one. And I'll go into more detail on each of these rifles and then my bayonet when I actually go out and shooting them. I'll disassemble them, show you what it looks like underneath the wood line on each one of these. So again, I just kind of wanted to give you guys a quick overview of some things that I had acquired the last several months and hadn't really done videos on them yet. So I appreciate you guys watching. Again, thanks.